Hey everyone, today I'll be talking a little bit about Drupal, a free and open source web content management system. For those of you who might not know what a content management system is, it's something where your content and your settings are stored in a database, allowing you to edit your material, menus, navigation and so on directly on the web. In this system, your web pages are generated by scripts from information in the database, and they're not actually stored as individual files. This means that if you enter your information once, you can display it in different ways on different pages. And because your content is separate from your style and your presentation, your style is more consistent across sites. There are many content management systems that are available online, including Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, and so on. But today, I'll be focusing on Drupal. Now, Drupal is a free and open source software, which means that you don't have to pay for the software license and you can modify the software. This has led to a large and vibrant community of 1.3 million users and over 100,000 active contributors. This means that there's always people testing it, developing it, finding security issues, and so on. One of the reasons Drupal is so famous is because of its flexible architecture. Other than the many modules that are freely available from developers, you can also create your own modules for any custom features you have in mind, and you can create your own themes for any designs you want. Because this is based on industrial standards, the core software here is PHP and MySQL, giving it many hosting options. And the output you get uses X, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so it's compatible with most browsers. However, a lot of its advantages can also become its disadvantages, because flexibility can lead to complexity. What I mean by this is that Drupal may not be the best alternative for simple or single functionality sites. And because of the way it's made, it can take a little while to learn and to set it up. Also, because it's a free and open source software, there are no guarantees, meaning that some of the support options you're looking for and some of the features you might be searching for may or may not be available. Now, what type of sites can Drupal be good for? Here are a couple of examples. As you can see, Warner Brothers has a pretty extensive site. They list out artists, playlists, labels, and what up-to-date news they have. Another great site is the White House website, which for those people who've used Drupal before will notice that a lot of the visuals seem familiar. That's because they use a lot of the modules that are freely available that anybody can use. If you're more interested, you should definitely check out Drupal.org because they have amazing documentation and support to help through this. Thank you for that.